Welcome guys, so today I am with POCO F4 GT and I want to show you a few camera tips. For me, the most useful tip is to use this additional 64 megapixel mode. You'll find it in the More tab. And then you can select right here. Let me just increase the screen brightness. Okay. And right now, let's make small comparison. So for example, we can focus I think maybe on this place. So catch focus, tap on the shutter, the photo was taken, and now just switch for this photo mode. As you can see, the aspect ratio is the same, and the photo was taken with normal mode. So we can take a look for these details. As you can see, it looks really good. But what about this additional mode, the 64 megapixel? As you can see right here, we can spot definitely more details, especially when you take a look on this place. Okay, let's go back for the normal mode. Let's make the comparison one more time. As you can see, we are unable to read this text and read also this stuff. Okay, well, let's go forward, and for example, I'm going to show you how to change function of the volume buttons, because as the default they are linked to take the delay photos. So we have to go for the settings, and then on the settings you will find volume buttons function. It's right here, so we can switch for example for the zoom, and right now when you press volume up or down you will smoothly zoom in and also zoom out. You can also switch to the ultra wide lens. When you enter for the settings for another time, we can just take a look for these customize options, because right here we can change our camera preset of the modes. So as you can see, we get normal like 4 default modes, but if you want to use any of them quickly without opening this additional tab, you can just click, hold, drag, and then tap on this right upper corner switcher. As you can see right now, when you go back, we'll find the night mode and 64 megapixel mode on this list, on the default list of the available modes on the phone. Another tip will be about the changing brightness level on the photo. So we can just click on the screen and then decrease or increase brightness level. That's very simple, as you can see. So that's how we can make it. And also you can use the zoom in the different ways. So we got 3 presets, but when you click on the selected one, you will get 4 additional presets, and you can also use this slider. Okay, so honestly, that's all for the Xiaomi POCO F4 GT. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.